Fluffy.
Kando kakule. Unafurahi kuona mwana chakula.
Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy.
Like ruko uketi then ruko kumeketi. Then uamke. 2, 3, go. Sivo. Acha kujishikilia. Nuru kopa. Si unairuka hivi unakaa dingu.
Haya.
Usiruke tena ukishajiachilia. Miguu usishike chini. Umeketi straight.
Haya.
Hawezi fanya kitu. Acha kukaishikilia. Unashikilia chini. Usifanye tukuonyeshe.
Haya. Shio.
Uruke straight hivi.
Haya.
Bila ukiwa kwa hewa like uende
Kae chini.
Utasimama. Ama ukishamaliza kuketi unapiga magoti.
Kama ina mix. 3.
Acha kushika chini. Hata sikurekodi.
Come. Oh, Nika pretty. Come. Don't run. Don't run. Ow, my God. Ako wapi mamake? Hi, little goat. It's a baby goat. Hello. Hello. Hi. Mnaitangwa aje? Hi. I just want to pet you. I just want to pet you. Mama yako atokea nigonge. Twende. Hi. You're so pretty and tiny. Hello. Usianguke. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Tuesday. I hope you all are doing fine. So today, I was supposed to go to town and buy a new tripod, but bado kunanyesha. It's been raining since morning. And niliamka, I think I woke up at around 6:30ish. And it's been raining. Nangoja mvua ipungue ndio nione kama naweza toka. Because it's raining. Nastahili kubeba mwavuli kubwa. Because I don't know where our small ones are. So I'm waiting for it to stop raining so I can go to town. I think I can run some other errands, but I'm not sure. But that's my morning. I'll see you nikitoka. Bye. Hi. So I'm dressed and ready to go. I just need to wear my shoes and a hat. Lazima nivae kofia because najua jua itawaka and hopefully it will be raining in town. I'll show you my outfit when I wear my shoes. Yeah, so this is my outfit for the day. I have my tote hoodie from my bestie's closet. The hat is polo, Ralph Lauren. Jeans I thrifted from budget wear. Yeah. And I have a black bodysuit under. Yes, so let's go. Goodbye, Momo. Love you.
Love you too. Have a safe journey and sweet.
Yeah. Niko sawa. Hakuna matope hivyo sana. Sasa shida si hata huko. Shida ni hata kwa barabara. Ya gani? Mimi sina tena. Yeah. Goodbye.
I heard you got some bad news. The doctor says a year or two, but I believe in miracles. Have you ever seen a small tree sprouting up through concrete? Because I think that's what you're gonna do. If you ever need my help, then I would come running from the back room. I would do anything to save you, honey. The moment you feel unwell, I need you to call up from the darkness. We can go back to before it all started. I heard you saw a hail of gunfire, and not everybody made it home. Lately all you do is run in place, having trouble finding meaning, and I can see which way you're leaning. But I'll be damned if I just let you fade. If you ever need my help, then I would come running from the back room. I would do anything to save you, honey. The moment you...
Hebu angalia si iko bright. Inaonekana ama ni dark? Iko bright. Iko dark. Unafinyanga wapi ndio nani? Nani kanga ni. Lucky. Mambo ya gari kava.
Nyogo. Chika kurecord kana vene mwaru. Waterega kurecord kiria neki. Waterega kurecord kiria neki.
Nimukwendaga ndimurecord mukiria.
Niwe kurecord icio. Kura postaga. Ndakuhe ndogithi watwarire ku.
Kwa nini simu yako ina zoom?
Ndio kamera yake.
Kamera yake ni clear. Ndakuhe ndogithi watwarire ku. Kama cio ndakuhe kiambi. Ora kore.
Say that. Ni dark. My mom is so pretty. Let me look at the camera. Hi, happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday. We are going out. With my daughter. We are going to Zorura Ring.
We are doing Zorura Ring. We shall show you where we shall reach.
When we get there.
When we get there, we shall see our show. Yenye tumeona kwa barabara.
Ima kuule, ima gisagiri. Tuze tari. Kiuhidira giekika kana. Kioro kenyumba. No thaka muranda. Ni ndoragia ngona andu agicagiri. Ciana ire ndimere maundu maria me.
Marione.
Muradi nyumba ya gorofa. Mari kiti muriria twakinyire. Ndaruraga stairs icio kuiga. Ni kuhaica ici. Asa. Ni gigati. Tugi au harus maikaraga ri hau gabi. Ni ku convince kwambata stairs icio. Ete too long.
Tutuona
ndio kwa arima jikari ndiruka hapo mu. Ni kuria tukagwe. Na rĩrĩa ndabatire ndarikia niĩ ndaikarire wiki nĩ haicio nũ
yo huwa wahaica
ĩgũikũrũka nĩwona kaba kũhaica
Hey guys, so I'm back home and I'm tired and I want to start editing this video, so I'm going to end the video here and I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.